Do you also want to create such magical AI avatar of yourself? Then, simply head over to Faceswapper.ai. This AI helps you to make deepfake images. Click on the I button for full tutorial video. But here, I am looking for Magic Avatarly, which you can find under More Swapper Tools section. Now select your gender and upload your photo. Once the photo get uploaded, simply click on Swap Face Now, and your magical avatars will be generated shortly. If you are not satisfied with the result, you can generate again to see more magical avatar of yourself. And finally, you can download them by clicking on the download button. Thank you for watching this video and subscribe for more such amazing AI videos.